What is happening? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to build out the sickest shortboard, the loaded Omakase. Let's get into it. This enclosure is from Big Ben Enclosures. I'll leave a link to his Instagram. It is so nice. There is plenty of room for 21700 cells using the P42As. Ben is also one of the founders of Apex Boards. Love supporting those guys. They always hook me up and make super cool products. I also used inserts this time. All you guys hate it when I drill right through these decks. Went alright, only stuffed one of them up, but there's still a thread in there, so worked out alright in the end. I reckon that Omakase deck has got to be the best looking shortboard on the market. No wonder I struggled to find it, had to pay so much for it. This enclosure has so much room in it when you use a 12S 2P. So we've got 24 cells in there, smart BMS, Stormcore 100D, receiver, Bluetooth module. Let's have a look at the motors and the drive we're going to be using. These are the new Reacher motors in the 6355s, and they are 175 kV from full send. So they look sick. Super keen to try those out. Alright, so these are the Boardnamic gear drives. These look so nice. Really nice covers. Big bearings in there. All right, well, I've never fitted these before. Let's dive in and see how we go. All right, so I've gone ahead and fitted one side. The other thing was, using these motors, I did have to file the inside of the hanger a little bit. As you can see, it's a very tight tolerance. I am absolutely hyped on this thing. Before I go any further, I've got to give a huge shout out to Full Send Electric and Ben from Apex Boards. I am freaking loving this thing. Let's keep going. This is sick! What an epic little build. I'm absolutely loving it. The shortboard is so much fun. There's so many more possibilities, especially with a kicktail. So if you haven't tried one, give it a go. That's gonna be it for this one. Massive thank you to everyone out there watching, and the biggest thanks to my members. Appreciate you guys, legends. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.